Welcome back to Manna Home Design, where we break down real apartments, real layouts, and real small space solutions that actually work. If you're into smart storage, renter-friendly upgrades, and strategic design for compact living, you're in the right place. Brilliant 320 square foot Brooklyn apartment that works for two. Smart small space living. This is 320 square feet in Brooklyn, for two adults. No extra closet. No renovation budget. And somehow, it works better than most two-bedroom apartments. Today, we're breaking down exactly how. This small Brooklyn apartment proves that square footage isn't the limitation, layout strategy is. In just 320 square feet, this couple redesigned the entire space using a faux built-in TV wall, a dresser transformed into a kitchen island, and full-height IKEA wardrobe systems to eliminate wasted vertical space. The kitchen was re-engineered with a custom pine countertop over a repurposed dresser, instantly creating prep space, dining space, and clothing storage in one footprint. The bedroom was flipped and rebuilt with narrow wardrobes framing the bed to create a built-in effect, complete with overhead storage for suitcases and renter-friendly plug-in sconces. Throughout the apartment, warm pale yellow walls, mint accents, vintage-inspired lighting, and subtle architectural paint details visually expand the space without major construction. This isn't just small space living. It's strategic small space engineering. Let's break it down. If you love smart small space living and real apartment solutions, hit subscribe now. New tours and storage ideas every week. Living area, faux built-in system. This 320 square foot Brooklyn pre-war apartment living area proves that a small space can feel custom built. The faux built-in TV wall instantly anchors the room, with two tall glass display cabinets flanking a centered flat screen. Instead of wasting vertical space, the design layers storage upward, creating a refined yet functional small New York City apartment layout. Warm pale yellow walls with subtle painted corner stripes soften the architecture while enhancing visual height. The radiator under the large window is integrated seamlessly beside a custom narrow desk fitted precisely between the window and door frame. Above the TV, a pine wood floating shelf with trailing plants adds warmth and dimension. Wedding glassware displayed inside the glass cabinets transforms storage into decor. A neutral sofa repositioned to face the TV wall improves flow, while brushed brass accents and layered warm lighting create a vintage meets modern aesthetic. This is smart space planning, built-in illusion design, and small apartment optimization at its best. Kitchen, dresser as island. In this compact New York apartment kitchen, a repurposed dresser becomes a fully functional kitchen island. The custom pine wood countertop with an extended overhang allows stool seating, turning storage furniture into a prep station and dining bar. It's dual-function furniture engineered for small space living. The narrow galley layout is upgraded with white contact paper cabinets and brushed brass knobs, creating a clean, cohesive look. A marble-look contact paper countertop refresh modernizes the surface affordably. Every inch works harder in this tight but highly functional urban kitchen. A small rolling cart stores the stand mixer and daily glassware, while floating shelves convert into a coffee station with mugs and tea jars. Warm pale yellow walls tie it all together, proving that practical storage layering, renter-friendly upgrades, and furniture repurposing can completely redefine a small apartment kitchen. Full wall wardrobe system. This small bedroom corner features a full-height white modular wardrobe system inspired by IKEA packs, reaching nearly to the ceiling. In an apartment with no closet, vertical storage becomes the backbone of organization. Woven baskets above the cabinets eliminate dead space. An additional narrow wardrobe near the window maximizes a slim gap, while open sections reveal organized hanging clothes. Inside, velvet jewelry drawer inserts, pull-out shoe trays, and a compact printer compartment show precision storage engineering for urban living. With minimal remaining floor space, the design emphasizes upward expansion and layered functionality. Soft lighting and a warm neutral palette prevent the wardrobes from feeling heavy. This is a masterclass in small apartment storage solutions and closet system optimization. Bedroom built-in bed wall plus mural. This tiny Brooklyn bedroom is reimagined with a bed centered between two narrow white wardrobes, forming a built-in frame effect. Pine planks bridge across the top, creating a faux millwork illusion that feels architectural, not temporary. Suitcases are stored above the cabinets and partially concealed with a curtain on a tension rod. The mint pastel wall base supports a traditional vintage landscape mural, complete with a subtle New York skyline in the distance and warm green floral accents. A low-profile bamboo bed frame preserves visual openness, while symmetrical layout and intimate lighting enhance depth. The balance between warm tones and cool mint walls creates contrast. This is small bedroom transformation through vertical integration and mural storytelling. Bedroom lighting plus architectural detail. Faux crown molding installed near the ceiling elevates the architecture without renovation. Painted to match mural tones, it frames the room and draws the eye upward, enhancing perceived ceiling height in this compact apartment bedroom. A vintage-inspired stained glass flush mount ceiling light with multiple bulbs delivers warmth without hanging too low. The shallow depth fixture preserves headroom while maximizing illumination, critical in small bedroom lighting design. Plug-in wall sconces mounted directly onto the wardrobe sides provide bedside lighting without hardwiring. Visible cords emphasize render-friendly practicality. Combined with decorative painted trim stripes and mint walls, the space feels cohesive, layered, and intentionally designed. Entryway accent corner. This narrow Brooklyn apartment entryway transforms into a design statement with a floral mural accent wall. Pale warm yellow paint keeps the hallway bright while decorative trim stripes add architectural rhythm. A scalloped edge wall shelf holds curated collected objects, while a glass wall vase with pampas grass introduces texture. A framed Brooklyn neighborhood map and pressed bouquet artwork layer sentimental decor into the compact layout. Even in a tight hallway, every nook becomes purposeful. Personal artwork, vertical styling, and mural detail prevent the entry from feeling transitional. It's intimate urban styling powered by storytelling and small space creativity. Bathroom storage optimization. This very small New York apartment bathroom prioritizes functionality over decoration. An over-the-toilet vertical storage unit immediately expands capacity without increasing footprint. The warm wood tone cabinet softens the space, while opaque contact paper panels conceal contents behind slatted doors. Compact sink and mirror proportions reflect realistic urban apartment constraints. natural lighting maintains clarity in the tight layout, and every surface serves a purpose. The result is clean, practical, and efficient, an example of bathroom storage optimization tailored specifically for small apartment living. If this 320 square foot apartment inspired you, subscribe for more small apartment tours and practical space maximizing ideas.